Namaste, I am Dr. Parit Ladani from New Face Maxillofacial Surgery Clinic in Andheri West, Mumbai. One of the most common questions I hear from patients, Doctor, how much does jaw surgery cost in Mumbai? It is a very important question, and today I'll explain what factor influence the cost and what typically range is and why choosing the right surgeon matters more than just the price tag. Jaw surgery or orthognathic surgery is a customized procedure. Every case is different, so there is no fixed one size fits all price. The cost depends on type of correction needed, like single jaw versus double jaw surgery, complexity of the procedure, whether additional procedures are needed or not, hospitals or surgical facility chosen, surgeon's experience and expertise, and technology used such as the virtual surgical planning, 3D imaging, or surgical cutting guides or customized plates. So while one patient may need a simple correction, another may require much more complex surgery. Now let's talk about numbers. In Mumbai, the cost of orthognathic surgery usually ranges between 2.5 to 6 lakhs. Single jaw surgeries are usually on the lower side of this range, and double jaw surgeries or surgeries combined with other procedures may be on the higher side. Some hospitals may also have additional charges depending on the facility and duration of stay. When you receive a quotation, it usually covers surgeon fees, operation theatre charges and hospital charges, anesthesia fees, surgical plates and screws, and post-surgery medication and follow-up. At New Face Clinic, we make sure patient understand every part of the cost estimate so there is no surprise later. It's natural to compare price, but remember, jaw surgery is not just a cosmetic, it impacts your bite, breathing, and long-term health. Choosing the cheapest option without considering experience and safety can lead to complications. At New Face Clinic in Andheri West, we provide transparent treatment plan, safe hospital facility, and personalized care. If you are considering jaw surgery, book your consultation today and let us guide you with the right plan and cost breakdown. Thank you.